In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MT5 alerts. By the end, you'll know how to create, configure, and manage alerts in MetaTrader 5 so you can step away from the screen and still stay on top of key price moves and timing events. First, open MetaTrader 5 and log into your trading account. To access alerts, bring up the toolbox window. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+T on your keyboard, or you can go to the View menu and choose Toolbox. Along the bottom of that window, click the Alerts tab. Think of this as your control center for creating new alerts and reviewing or editing existing ones. There are two easy ways to create a new alert. From the Alerts tab, right-click anywhere in the list and select Create. That opens the alert editor. Or, if you prefer a quick setup straight from a chart, right-click at the exact price level you care about, hover over Trading, and click Alert. MetaTrader will place an alert near that price, which you can then fine-tune in the editor. In the alert editor, start by choosing the symbol, such as URUSD or any other instrument you're tracking. Next, set the condition. Use bid, BON, or bid to be notified when the bid price rises above or falls below your level. Use ask or ask if you want to reference the ask price instead. As a quick reminder, the bid is the price you can sell at, and the ask is the price you can buy at, so pick the one that matches your strategy. You can also select time equals to trigger an alert at a specific time. Enter the value. For price alerts, this is your target price. For time alerts, it's the exact date and time. Then choose the action. Sound will play an audio alert on your computer. Notification will push to your mobile app if notifications are enabled. Mail will send an email, and File can run a program for advanced workflows. If you want the alert to expire automatically, set an expiration date and time. Finally, adjust timeout and maximum iterations. Timeout controls how long the system waits before it can trigger again, and maximum iterations limits how many times the alert repeats before it stops. Once created, your alert appears in the Alerts tab. Right-click it to modify settings, disable it temporarily, or delete it if you no longer need it. A couple of important notes. Alerts created in MT5 mobile apps aren't supported, so set them up on desktop. And if you want email alerts, first configure SMTP details under Options, then Email. That's it. Your MT5 alerts are ready to work for you.